Sauces are a key component in the kitchen. They add moisture, flavor, richness, enhance appearance both in color and shine, as well as increase appetite appeal to foods. Velouté sauce is one of the 5 mother sauces that are the backbone of Escoffier's kitchen. These mother sauces are the foundation from which other derivative sauces can be made. A sauce works like a seasoning. It magnifies and accents the flavor of the food, but it should never dominate or hide the food. The structure of a sauce is based on 3 pillars. 1, a liquid, or the body of the sauce. For this sauce, white stock from chicken, veal, or fish will be used. 2, a thickening agent. In this case, a starch in the form of roux will be used. 3, additional seasoning and flavoring ingredients. Although the liquid makes up the bulk of the sauce, other ingredients are added to make variations on the basic themes and to give a finished character to the sauces. Most of the hundreds of sauces listed in the standard repertoire are made by adding 1 or more flavoring ingredients to one of the 5 basic sauces or leading sauces. As in all of cooking, sauce making is largely a matter of learning a few building blocks and then building with them. To make a velouté sauce, you need a blonde roux. We already have a blonde roux prepared. If you were starting from scratch, you would use clarified butter and flour, cook it to the blonde roux stage, and continue from there. So let's get this started. Once our roux started to melt down, we'll add in our mirepoix. In this case, we're using a white mirepoix, onion, celery, and parsnip. We'll also add in our sachet ingredients: peppercorn, thyme, bay leaf, parsley stems, and our white stock. In this case, a chicken stock. Gonna whisk to incorporate the roux into the stock. We'll bring this to a boil and down to a simmer for 1 hour. Now that the sauce has simmered for an hour and reached sauce consistency, we're gonna strain it through a fine mesh strainer. If the velouté is to be used as is, season with salt and white pepper. If it's to be used as an ingredient in other preparations, do not season. Keep it hot in a bain-marie or cool in an ice bath for later use. Remember, the most frequently used sauces are based on stock. The quality of these sauces depends on the stock making skills you learned in the previous section. From here, velouté can be turned into any number of small sauces, which is why perfecting this sauce is a great tool in the chef's toolkit.